Starting a new job or a new relationship? Do you want to delete photos of you partying from the internet? Our choices of fashion, views and opinions of 10 years ago could potentially come back to haunt us. Our digital lives have become a part of our physical selves. But what if we could press the delete button permanently?
It's very, very difficult to not have some kind of online presence.
For some companies, the simple click of deleting yourself from online is not as easy as it seems. But is it even possible to delete yourself from the internet? Let's say you've applied for a new job. Today, employers could look you up on the web.
In theory, they shouldn't be doing that really because for equality's reasons, they shouldn't be kind of trying to find stuff out about you that they wouldn't otherwise know. But realistically, they want to know that you are who you say you are and what your credentials look like. So realistically, quite often, employers will be doing that.
So, where to start when thinking about removing yourself from the internet? How about good old social media? The biggest social media platform worldwide is still Facebook. And deleting yourself from there is quite simple. You can delete years' worth of photos and comments by clicking the Settings and Privacy tab and selecting your activity log. There, you can remove your own content with the exception of tagged photos and conversations. Facebook's data policy states, information that others have shared about you is not part of your account and will not be deleted when you delete your account. Alternatively, deleting your whole account will wipe you clean conscious and greatly reduce your digital footprint, but that's easier said than done.
It seems like it's never totally deleted. It sort of lurks around, but sort of offline and unavailable. But just in case you want to come back, they keep it handy.
If deleting your account is a step too far, maybe setting your account to private is the next best alternative. Other platforms like Twitter and TikTok have similar protocols. But it's not just on social media that you would need to find a way to remove your data. Google is of course not a source of information itself, but a platform that indexes websites according to their popularity and traffic. In Europe, protecting an individual's private information is considered a civil right and legally mandated. In the US, the flow of private information is governed by the First Amendment to freedom of speech. The right to be forgotten allows the use of private information to be removed from web search platforms such as Google.
There's a very laborious part, which is all the sites that Google is pointing to, you would need to go and make separate requests to in terms of getting that data taken offline. You can also make kind of bigger blanket requests to Google about hiding particular types of search results, but it does require that the information there's a reason to take it down. Otherwise, there's a sort of public interest case for leaving it up there.
The right of removal was exercised during the celebrity hacking photo scandal in 2014. Multiple stars like Jennifer Lawrence, Rihanna, Kirsten Dunst and Scarlett Johansson sued Google for a whopping $100 million. The reason? Leaked nude photos of them, which were freely available to access through the search engine.
Most websites and most social media sites in particular will have a way of reporting an issue. So fake accounts, false information, defamatory content, that sort of thing.
And what about comments and reviews left online? We all love to read or write comments under YouTube videos. But what about negative comments? Well, different platforms have different rules. Any Google user is able to post, edit and delete reviews freely of their place of interest. This includes comments left on YouTube.
Most often, it's a relatively straightforward process to kind of report things. It's usually quite a quick takedown, even if they then go and do a kind of review of it afterwards.
Sadly, as a business owner, you are not able to remove comments which are left on your establishment. Google only removes comments if they violate Google's policies. TripAdvisor has a similar way, though sometimes removed comments aren't the only victory owners can receive from undeserved critique. In 2021, the BBC reported an online troll was forced to pay thousands of dollars to a restaurant owner after he posted fake negative reviews on TripAdvisor. So, can we truly remove ourselves from the internet?
I'm going to say no, but in a kind of optimistic way. I think we can't remove ourselves completely online. It's exceptionally hard, but there's lots of positives to that too. And it's all about kind of curation and taking care of your presence.
It seems that the internet is forever. Many of us have a past online, and for some, it should stay there. But if you want to remove yourself online completely, the path to a clear conscience can take a little longer to remove your past escapades. Have you ever thought about erasing yourself online? Leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more.